Hello guys, today we are gonna eat Subway. Did you know that they have two limited time subs in their menu? Yes, and it's the hot honey pepperoni and hot honey chicken. This time I picked hot honey pepperoni, and it's this one. I also got a churro and of course a drink. So this hot honey pepperoni comes with pepperoni, provolone cheese. I picked wheat bread. It comes with lettuce, tomato, onion, sriracha sauce, and also I asked him to add a little bit of hot honey sauce and ranch sauce. Let's try it. This tastes delicious. It's that combination of sweet and spicy that gets me. So good. This is so good. I'm gonna say 10 out of 10 for this sub. Instead of the chips, I asked for the foot-long churro, but it broke. So we're gonna try just a piece of it to see how it tastes. What is going on? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna say from 1 to 10, 3. Come on now. Churros like this hard? Oh no. No. 3, Subway, 3. Last one but not least one, I got this Starry. This is a lemon lime flavor soda. This is my first time trying this drink. It kind of tastes like carbonated lemonade. I don't know. But it's good. I thought it was going to be a little bit sour because of the lemon lime, but no, I mean, I like it. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Okay guys, I really enjoyed the sub. Oh my gosh, it was spicy on point. I like that. I like eating spicy. Now you know about these new hot honey subs. Go and get them because they are there just for limited time. Hot honey subs, sweet and spicy. Cheers. Bye.